Alright, let us look at the problem that we are given here. This is course drawing number 4, mechanical drawing. We are given an isometric drawing of casting, arrow indicating the front view. The scale here is supposed to be 1:2. 1:2. So this scale here is a reducing scale, so it means all these measurements here we're going to divide them by 2. Let's quickly do that. For this one, this is 75, this is 56, this is 20, radius 20, this is diameter 24, then it will give us radius 12, and then this is 5, this is 8, 20, 50, and 10. This one here is 26. With that given, let's start. They want us to draw the front view, so we're just gonna start with the drawing here. For the front view, we're going to draw this section here. So it means the height is going to be 56, the length is going to be 75. So I'm gonna start at the bottom here. With this line, and just gonna construct this one as well. Then I want 75. So it's gonna be 75 right there. Then project again. This small height here is given here, it's 10. So we are doing the bottom. So that's that bottom part there. Right. Now let's get in the big height. That height is 56. So from here to here, we measure 56. From the bottom to the top, measure 56 millimeters, like that. Draw this line in construction, nice and light. Then to get this section here, you're first gonna measure 20, then you're going to measure radius 20, because the radius of this outside arc here, it's 20. So it means we're gonna measure 20, then 20, which will make it 40. So that's the first 20. That's second 20. That give us 40. Then we project it down. Project this down, and on the first 20 here, we're gonna draw a chain line. Alright, that's the chain line. Alright, then the next step now is to draw this circle. Since well from the front view, you're not going to be able to see it, so it means it's going to be hidden detail going down there. So we're going to take the measurement for the circle. We're giving the diameter of 24, and then we divide by 2. It's going to give us the radius of 12. So let's Let's measure the radius there. And draw your hidden detail. Alright, this part is done. Now we need to put in the slope. You see the slope here from this edge going there, the slope is 52 millimeters, which is 26. So it means from here to here you're going to measure 26 millimeters. That's 26 millimeters. Then we're just gonna join this point with this one. The first thing, you measure 26 from here to here. Then from that point, just join this point and this corner there. That's your slope. Then we need to put in this small groove here. The measurement of that is 16, which is 8. So we're going to measure 8 from this corner inside. It's gonna be 8. It's also going to be hidden, so we're gonna draw it as a hidden detail. Alright. With that being said, it means that our front view is complete. So let's continue to the top view. Yeah, project all the corners, project them up. From here, measure 10 millimeters. Measure 10 millimeters. Draw your reference line. Measure another 10 millimeters from your reference line up and also to the side. Draw your second reference line right there. Then where this 10 millimeters here is where your top view is going to start. Top view is going to start there. So we have the length of the top view is the length of the front view, and then the height of the top view will be given by this measurement here, this 50 here. So from here going up there, we measure 50 millimeters. Then you can just darken everything. Also this line, make it dark. Then when you look at the top, you're gonna be able to see this arc here, then we'll see this circle. So for us to be able to draw this arc and this circle, we need to get this chain line here. So to get this chain line, it means we need to find the center from here to here. We need to find half of this line. Since all we know is 50, so it means that the half of 50 is 25. So we're going to measure 25 millimeters to get to that point. Measure 25 millimeters. then draw your line. Then from here we're going to do this arc. This arc is given by a radius of 20. We know that we've already measured 20 here, so there's no need to measure again. Just take this 20 here and draw this arc. It starts here and then it's going to end here. So draw it in there. And the last part of it, which is this part, just extend it with your T-square. Just like that. Then we're just gonna do the circle. The radius of the circle we know is 12, and we already measured 12 here. So we're just gonna take this measurement here and draw that circle. Okay. Let's just make our circle dark. Okay, then we're just gonna need to put in the slope, or we need to project this line for the slope here. Just project this up for the slope. And then we know the thickness of the slope is 5. So it means that from here, we're going to measure 2.5, 2.5. So measure 2.5 on your compass. It's gonna be 1, 2, just past 2 there. Small past 2. Then take that measurement on your compass. Then make a mark there. Flip your compass, make another mark. That's where our slope is gonna go. That's the slope. And we need to put in this groove because from the top view we'll be able to see this space here. So we are given the space here as 20 millimeters. So if the space here is 20, it means this side is 15, this side is 15. So we're going to measure from the center, we're going to measure half of 20, which is 10. And then just gonna plug it there. Measure 10. Then from the center here, make a mark. Then that give us this slope here. Alright, erase this part, it's not there. So that's the top view. Top view is done. The next step is to take your 45-degree set square, put it there, draw a 45-degree line. Project it going this way. Project all the corners again towards your 45-degree line. project all the points. All right, and this one as well. Remember, after when they touch your 45 degree, then you bring it down. All right, and after that you're going to project all the corners here as well. So we're gonna project this way. Like that. Then let's highlight what we have. Let's start at the base. We have the base. Then we are doing this view here. You have this base, so you'll be able to see this groove here. It's this one. Oh, I forgot to project this one here. It needs to come down this way. So this groove is this one, and this one here. Follow it. It's here. So you're gonna make it there, and we see this top part, this one. I also need to project this line. I skipped it. So from the top we're gonna see this as well, and this one you're gonna see it. Then from this side you'll also be able to see the slope here, which is this one. Then remember, we still have this circle inside, so this circle will still be hidden detail. It's this one here. I'll follow this line, it's this one. So it's still hidden detail. The other point is this one. All right, what do we have? All right, we have that circle is hidden detail. We have the slope is there. We have this part, this groove is here. These two parts is here. So when your drawing is like this, it's complete. But remember, we have marks for scale and title block. So let's quickly do that. Okay. You know, here is gonna be your name, and here you're gonna have your title. Title of this drawing is casting. There's mark for that. Yeah, there's the title and the scale is there. Scale is 1:1. You can put your grade here, and then on the next one you can do the date here. The most important part that I wanted the title and scale, because there's marks for that, and also the projection symbol. This is a third angle orthographic projection, so the symbol will be like this. So you can measure. For a small circle, you can measure 4 millimeters. And then you can measure 8 millimeters for the big one. After that, project the tangent. Project this highest point like that with thin construction lines, thin and very light. And you can finish your symbol by joining this circle here. You see this line for the small circle? Just join. For the big circle as well, just join them. Any measurement, it's right. I only want to see the symbol. Then you can join this one to this one, finish up your cone. There. And once you've done like this, you have this 4.5 for projection symbol. Thank you.